fine wherever you're watching from. In today's tutorial, we're going to solve such kind of error. In most cases, when you try to migrate your website from a localhost to a server, and usually the home page, it appears to be fine. But when you try to click on any link, it's going to display such kind of error message. 404 not found, resource requested could not be found on this server. So if you're having such kind of problem, worry not, because I'm going to show you the easy steps on how to solve this. So what you're going to do, first of all, you have to log into your admin panel. Once you log into the admin panel, this is what you're going to see. You're going to scroll down here until you go where there is settings. So under settings, you're going to click on permalinks. So when you click on permalinks, it's going to display this interface. So under here, what you're going to do, you're not going to change anything. What you're going to do, you click on permalinks, then you go ahead and click on save. Once you click on save and you go back to your website and you refresh, you're going to see that something is going to happen. So when I try to click on any of these tabs, it's going to load the information. So that's how you're able to solve such kind of error in WordPress. Thank you.